Welcome to the Specialty Products Training video, Lifted Truck Ball Joint Articulation. This video features popular light truck ball joints included in many Toyota, Lexus, Nissan, Ford, and General Motors. Through our tech line and conversations on many online forums, SPC is often asked about ball joint articulation and its relationship to lifted trucks. Questions like, how much more ball joint articulation will I need when I lift my truck? Is there any information out there about how much articulation the uniballs give over original equipment ball joints? How do I determine if the articulation of replacement ball joints are sufficient for the travel of the suspension? To answer these questions, let's first ask why ball joint articulation is important when modifying or lifting your truck. Generally, when a truck is lifted, the suspension travel range can shift or increase as the body of the truck moves up. This can cause components like ball joints to articulate further than they were designed to, leading to damage or failure. Also, the camber and caster angles are changed beyond the original equipment adjustment range. If your upgraded suspension permits more control arm travel than the original equipment design, the additional articulation is required. Let's test different ball joints and Heim joints to see the difference in articulation and other properties that will help lifted vehicles. Testing will be done at the Specialty Products Lab on calibrated and certified equipment. We will start with an original equipment Tacoma Upper control arm. We will set the ball joint vertically at 0 degrees and measure. Now moving the ball joint stud to full articulation, we measure 34 degrees. Next, this aftermarket control arm using a Heim joint. Note dirt and debris that can cause permanent failure. We set the control arm to 0. Then move the Heim joint to full articulation, measuring 34 degrees, same as the original equipment. Finally, an SPC control arm with a ball joint set to 0. Notice the ball joint is greasable and booted for long life and protection from dirt and grime. Measuring at full articulation, 40 degrees. This ball joint is completely greasable for the harshest and most challenging environments. The 36 millimeter ball gives 80 full degrees of articulation for more suspension travel and 25% larger stud cross-section area versus original equipment for greater strength. The internal wear spring provides wear compensation and consistent turning torque for life. The two-piece race design spreads the load over a greater surface area. The highly polished finish on the ball and lower race provides hard, smooth wear surface for extended life. The sealed boot keeps grease in and contaminants out. Get more droop travel. Specialty Products arm has improved clearance to get around the spring bucket. With 80 degrees of articulation in the ball joint and free pivoting bushings, SPC's arm will give maximum droop travel. Thank you for watching. Since 1971, Specialty Products Company has been designing, testing, and manufacturing world-class alignment suspension solutions. For more installation videos, visit us online at www.spc-tv.com.